Now we are going to discuss about the electric flux, page number 38, 1.6.1 electric flux. What is called the electric flux? The definition of electric flux is a number of electric field line crossing a given area kept normal to the electric field line is called the electric flux. The number of electric field line lines crossing a given area kept normal to the electric field lines. That is called the electric flux. This is the first point. Second point, electric flux denote the symbol pi. It is a Greek letter. Second point, the third point, it is unit, SI unit of electric flux. Newton meter square, Coulomb power -1. This is the SI unit of electric flux. Now we are going to discuss about the electric flux with the diagram. Consider a point charge Q here. A positive charge, point charge is considered. Number of electric line. This is a electric line. Number of electric line. Now you can place two small rectangular area element is a rectangular area element. Blue color line is denote the electric field. Red color line that is a rectangular area. Consider A, B. Here number of line crossing in area A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 line crossing in area A. In area B 1, 2. 2 lines only crossing in rectangular area B. So number of electric line crossing area is higher than that of area B. So more line crossing in A, so more flux. In B, less flux. From this diagram, we can understood when the distance increases, electric flux decreases. When the distance decreases, electric flux increases. So that we are going to understood from the diagram. When the distance increases, electric flux pi will be decreases. When the distance decreases, electric flux will be increases. Now we are going to discuss electric flux for uniform electric field. Electric flux, second we are going to discuss important concept, how can electric flux react in a uniform electric field, what kind of letters we have, that we are going to now discuss electric flux. For uniform electric field, here first one, consider a uniform electric field in a region of space, area A normal to the electric field line. That time we can denote the electric flux pi E, that is equal to EA. That is the area A normal to the electric field line. That time you can denote the letter pi E, that is equal to EA. Can draw the diagram, uniform electric field. Can kept the area normal to the plane, the direction of area is the electric field, is the A. Area A normal to the electric field line. That time you can write the equation pi E that is equal to EA. Next, second point. When the area is kept parallel to the uniform electric field, that time there is no electric field line through the area A. So pi E that is equal to 0. Pi E that is equal to 0 when area A kept parallel to the uniform electric field. Parallel to the uniform electric field E, that time there is no electric field lines. That time you can put the value pi E that is equal to 0. When the area is kept parallel to the uniform electric field E, that time you can put the value of pi E that is equal to 0. You can draw the diagram. This is the electric field. This is the area. This is the area parallel to the electric field. This is the area is parallel to the electric field. That time pi E that is equal to 0. Third point. When the electric field pi E that is equal to EA cos theta. If the area is A is inclined at angle theta, inclined an angle theta with the field, that is the electric field, that time you can put the value of pi E that is equal to EA cos theta. You can draw the diagram here. That is the electric field. If area is inclined at angle theta, inclined at angle theta is n cap facing the area is the direction. There is a E cos theta E sin theta. That is the electric field E. Electric field is, you can result two component E cos theta and E sin theta. So E cos theta is parallel to the electric field. That time you not get the electric field, that is electric field is 0. So you can take the E cos theta is the normal to the electric field line. So you will get the value pi E that is equal to EA cos theta. This is the equation number 1. You can get the equation number 1. Pi E that is equal to EA. Pi E that is equal to 0. That is the equation number 2. pi E that is equal to Ea cos theta in equation number 3. From equation number 3, that is pi E that is equal to Ea cos theta, you can put the value theta is equal to 0 degree. What will you get the value pi E? Pi E that is equal to Ea cos 0 degree. So cos 0 value 1, cos 0 degree 1, so you can get the value pi E that is equal to Ea. This is the first one. Second one, you can put the theta that is equal to 90 degree. You can get the pi E value Ea cos theta. You can put the theta value 90 degree. Pi E that is equal to Ea cos 90 degree, cos 90 0. So you can get the value pi E that is equal to 0. This is the electric flux formula. So now we are going to discuss about the one problem using the electric flux formula. In your book, example 1.17, calculate the electric flux through the rectangular side of 5 cm and 10 cm kept in the region of uniform electric field 100 Newton Coulomb power minus 1. The angle theta is 60 degree. Suppose theta becomes 0, what is the electric flux? Now we are going to find out. You can answer two questions. What is the electric flux? Next one, if theta is 0, what is the electric flux? As you can draw the diagram here, this is the electric field line. You can put the rectangular area in inclined angle theta, that is the theta is 60 degree. So what will you get the pi E value? Now we are going to derive. Example 1.17. So first you can write the given data. Rectangular side L that is equal to 5 cm, breadth that is equal to 10 cm, uniform electric field E that is equal to 100 Newton Coulomb power minus 1, theta is equal to 0 degree. So now we are going to put the formula for electric flux. the electric flux phi E, that is equal to EA cos theta. Here you can write in an area length into breadth. So L value is 5 centimeter. You can write in meter 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2. You can write in 10 centimeter in meter 10 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. So you can write L is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2, breadth 10 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So you can multiply tens into 5, 50 into, you can add the minus 2 into minus 2, 10 power minus 4. That is the area here. You can put the value formula E, that is equal to 100, A, that is equal to 50 into 10 to the power of minus 4 into theta 60 degree. So cos 60 1 by 2, 100, 50 into 10 to the power of minus 4 into 1 by 2. Cos 60 value 1 by 2. So you can cancel 25. You can multiply 25 into 100, 0 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So you can write 2500 in the scientific notation, 25 into 10 to the power of plus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4. You can cancel out minus 4 plus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2. You can reduce the decimal in the left side, minus 2, minus 1, 0, minus 2, minus 1, 0. You can decimal point, you can move in left side, power is decreases, so 0.25 Newton meter square Coulomb power minus 1. That is the electric flux value. Here, when the decimal decreases, that is when the decimal move in left side, that time power is decreases. That way we are going to derive this value. Second question is, when theta is equal to 0 degree, second, when theta is equal to 0 degree, what the value of pi e, or the formula for pi e, Ea cos theta. You know the value of E, 100, 50 into 10 to the power minus 4, A value, theta cos 0 degree, cos 0 1.